Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So this is the most awaited, one of the biggest unboxing that I'm going to do. So without further ado, I think this is the most on-demand gaming console right now. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you the PlayStation 5. Let's go! So this is the most powerful, I think, let's say not powerful, but the most on-demand gaming console at this very moment. So let's get our magic color. Let's open this beast up, guys. Oh, I felt that. I felt that, guys. Oh my god! So let's go open this thing up. As you can you see this? Play like never before. I'm just so happy right now. I cannot express the feeling that I have, the feeling that I'm feeling right now. So let's pull this up. I think this thing's pretty heavy, guys. Okay, let's put it out of the box. Alright, look at this. This thing is massive. Guys, this is, I think I need to get a bigger table for this. As you can see, I'm gonna pull it out from the box. Alright. Wow. So let's hit this box right now on the bottom. So you can see, it's another box. It's another box, and there's a PlayStation logo right there. So, can you feel this, guys? The moment on this video that I'm taking, my heart pounding really hard because I am naturally gamer. So I'm not blubbering shit. Nani? So this is it, guys.
Let's do this.
Really, this is the moment. So I'm going to put it down slowly. Alright. There's a lot of box, guys. Can you see this? There's a lot of box. It's a box in another box. So there we go. First, right in the butt, we have our instruction manuals. So let's keep the instruction manuals for later. Let's keep it on the side now. So what else do we have? We have a power outlet, wall brick, should I say, and our PlayStation 5 DualSense. If you have not checked my videos, I have already uploaded the video of unboxing of a separate controller of the PlayStation 5 DualSense. As you can see, this is it, guys. This is it. The PlayStation 5 DualSense, not DualShock, DualSense, guys. It has the haptic feedback. So box. Okay, what else is here? I think this is just another cover. Okay, let's bring this up. Wow, this thing is fighting me, man. Fighting me not to bring it out. The beast needs to get out, guys. Nani? I think there's still more. Yep, there is. What is this? I think this is the stand. Based from the video that PlayStation Sony showed months before. Yes, this is it, guys. This is the stand where you can put your PlayStation 5 on top of it, or lying down or standing up. I think I'm gonna put it upward. So it comes with a 4K HDMI. So you can see it has the PlayStation logo right there. This is an HDMI 4K. So you need a 4K TV to support your PlayStation 5 and to maximize your gaming output. That's why you upgrade your consoles from a PS4 Pro to the PlayStation 5. USB Type-C for charging your DualSense. So I need to get used to saying dual. Can you see it, guys? Can you see this up? This is the PlayStation 5 right here. So let's bring it out from the box. Alright, this thing's heavy. Like, I'm not kidding, it's really heavy. Or it's just egg trays that is keeping it. No, it is heavy, guys. Alright, see the box now empty. Let's toss this box from the side. Let's focus on this base right here. Alright, this is it, guys. This is it. Like, this thing is gonna be the legendary, one of the best gaming consoles as of this moment, guys. This is it. This is it, guys. This is it. Oh my god, this is it, guys. This is it. The PlayStation 5 right here. The PlayStation 5 console. It has the disc. This is the disc edition, standard edition. There we have it, guys. It's pretty heavy. Controller right here. You gotta put it right there. And this is the PlayStation 5. Here are some of the close-up details for the PlayStation 5. Guys, that's the unboxing. I'm sorry if it's one of the moments is kind of blunt because I'm really happy on this moment. I'm opening the most on-demand gaming console, the Sony PlayStation 5 right here, especially the DualSense. And for me, I just hope that on the next generations that the PlayStation 5 will come out, I hope they bring black color. I think the digital version has the black. If I'm not mistaken, it's only the box. The console itself, it's still white, black and white. I'm not against about the black and white color. It's good, it's appealing, but let's bring some color to this, especially the buttons. I really hope that they stick with the color from the PlayStation 4 DualShocks, because on the PlayStation 4 they have the colors. It's now just clear white and gray. The color from DualSense is gray. So one of my personal views is that they can bring it to a little smaller and lighter because the PlayStation 4 is light than the PlayStation 5. But don't get me wrong, PlayStation 5 new is good, new is better, and it serves 4K gaming and faster loading screens. Especially the new games, the game developers right now, they're developing under the Sony, and they have the most exclusive, especially I'm going to name one, in Activision Infinity Ward, Cold War, the Call of Duty Black Ops. It's exclusive content for the PlayStation because of the Sony deal with the Activision and Infinity Ward. So that's my unboxing of the PlayStation 5. Hope you can get yours too. And let's go play. Check me out on Twitch. I'm always live there. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye. Peace. Take care.